My dearest friend, you have made great progress during your time representing me in your area of the world, and I commend you for your hard work. Your efforts have provided magic and love to those you've spent time visiting on my behalf. It is with much pride and trust I now offer you an official ambassadorship to represent me around the world. This appointment should be used to bless friends and family alike, as there is always a need for Christmas cheer. In the name of Christmas and by the power invested in me, I hereby bestow upon you the honor and position of an official ambassadorship for the red suit in the Santa Claus Order. Let this letter stand as proof to all of your authority to represent he who is known as Santa Claus. I have no doubt you'll accept this appointment and continue to do the wonderful work you've begun. Through you, the children and parents of this world will come to know me. Go forth and extend the same invitation I have extended to you time and time again. Come in and know me better, man. Your trusted friend, Santa Claus.